So I'm the factory manager of Leominster and Tenbury Wells sites for the OV Group. Here in Leominster we package confectionery products. One of our long-standing problems that we've had is we've always had to hand label all of our SRPs, which is time-consuming. I was challenged by my boss and an engineer that works with us to go to the PPMAs in 2021 at the NEC, and the idea was to look out for labelling machines. The Cobalt machine was the one that stood out far better and was compact, tiny, looked neat, ticked all the boxes that we were looking for. We purchased 2 dual action Nexus printing machines. The customer is number one. If the customer wants front and side labelling and you're able to provide it, then that's an option you can give for them. The 2 Cobalt machines that we've got on line 2 and 3, predominantly we produce retail products on there. So the process is for us as a daily basis, using the machinery, the unit leader, the person running the shift who has D365 on their desktop, they can look at the working plan for the week, see what works, what is running today, load up the nice label program that we use to generate the label to send to the Cobalt machine. And then once that label is created and done, to tell it what printers to go to, be it line 1, 2, 3, 4, and tell it how many you want to print. That's it, job done. So after the program's been sent to the printing and labelling machine, and every time a label is applied onto the side, there is a scanner that scans for any defects of the label. If it reads any defects, it stops. The Zebra industrial scanner scans and goes, there's a problem with the label, a red light flashes, it stops producing labels and encourages the operative to investigate and find out what's going on.
My role at Orchard Valley is one of the unit leaders, similar to a supervisor, just leading the team, sorting out production plans. Before we had the Cobalts installed, we used a printer attached to a PC and we used to reel off labels by the thousands every day. As you saw before, the Mallow line, we used to run that with 5 operators, but with the Cobalt installed, we can run it with 4 now because there's not a person there manually putting the label on each box, so it saved us a lot of time. I like the fact that it's just easy to use. You don't have to be too hands-on with it, it runs itself. Come in the morning, send your job over, and that's it for the day. Brilliant.